2022 Toyota Noah and Voxy Minivans revealed. It's still hip to be square. Toyota has been offering the Noah and Voxy minivans since late 2001, and now the duo is making the transition to the fourth generation. Looking bolder than ever, the boxy family haulers can be had with up to 8 seats, plus wheelchair-adapted configurations known as Welcab models. Both sit on the TNGA-C platform and feature power sliding doors, running boards, hand grips, and a square shape to maximize the available space inside. The JDM People carriers have been engineered with front and all-wheel drive drivetrains and boast a 2.0-liter gasoline engine working with a CVT. The latter has a 10-speed Sport Sequential Shiftmatic for fun shift changes with the feeling of a manual. Alternatively, there's a hybrid powertrain consisting of a 1.8-liter unit with an upgraded electric motor and battery pack compared to the previous generation models. Should their designs not be polarizing enough, the new Noah and Voxy can be optionally equipped with extra goodies from Toyota's in-house tuners TRD and Modelista. From body kits and custom 18-inch wheels to additional exterior lighting and door handle protectors, there's something for everyone. These add-ons continue on the inside, where customers can have a JBL sound system and even an inflatable mattress. Described as compact cab wagons, the two models have embraced the minivan theme furthermore with the MK4 by having more upright C-pillars. The distance between them has increased by 75 mm, nearly 3 inches, to 1,295 mm, 51 in, for more room inside. The minivans are 4,695 mm, 184.8 in, long, 4,695 mm, 184.8 in, wide, and 1,895 to 1,925 mm, 74.6 to 75.8 in, tall, depending on the version. Hosted on a wheelbase measuring 2,850 mm, 112.2 in. The interior has a practical underfloor incorporating a large 104-liter, 3.67 cubic feet storage box. The rearmost seats are installed on a sliding mechanism and can be folded for extra cargo capacity with just one touch. The 7-seat model will come along with captain's chairs in the second row. Cheaper trim levels get an 8-inch center screen, while the more expensive models are upgraded to a 10.5-inch display. Toyota claims it's the first car manufacturer to install a free-stop rear hatch door for the versions that don't have the power-operated tailgate. How does it work? Simply pushing the rear door stops it at any angle courtesy of a Karakuri mechanism. Both 2022 minivans are already on sale in the land of the rising sun, where they cost from 2,670,000 to 3,960,000 yen, or about $23,300 to $34,500 at current exchange rates. Toyota labels the Noah as the mainstream version, whereas Voxy is the unique one. Launched in November 2001, the Noah and Voxy are compact cab wagons developed in pursuit of the pure minivan fun, with sliding doors for easy entry and exit, and roomy, comfortable cabin spaces for lots of passengers and cargo. As cars supported and loved by Japanese families, they are still among our most popular cars, particularly with families. The new fourth-generation Noah and Voxy have been reborn as minivans with more comfort, convenience, and peace of mind than ever to encourage users to load up their hobbies and toys and hit the road. Using the TNGA-C platform for their basic structure, these minivans were developed for a deeper sense of happiness that the outstanding packaging and ease of use their generations of models have always brought, and to achieve even greater minivan appeal through use of the latest advanced fixtures. Designed based on 3 unique worldviews that further emphasize their features, the Noah is built on the concepts of majestic, modern, and high quality, combined with mainstream and aggressive, while the Voxy goes for leading edge and unique. Welcab models, assisted mobility vehicles, also enhance the model lineup by dramatically improving the range of wheelchair-adapted models and expanding the configuration for type-designated vehicles.